This has been seen in the background of many of videos over the years. So I really should consider replacing that cardboard because, well, at the time, because the sun comes through here and I worked nights, so I wanted all the light blocked out. But now it's kind of looking a little grody. I should probably fix that. I mean, I haven't used it much because I've been using my Liquid HV12WR, so that's still chooching along. This is still chooching along. It was that Perfect Aire PAC 5000 that I bought at a pawn shop to replace that Arctic Aire. So, but it's getting a little nasty. I don't know if that's grass or somebody decides to just, I'm gonna play with it. So, gotta be careful not to step on Trubby's grave. But it's looking a little grotesque in there. You might be able to see, you might not. And I have not been taking this out every winter like some people say that you should, because why? I'm just gonna have to fight to get it back in. I mean, hell. I don't know if you can see anything. But yeah, it's obviously China-Pride Matronics. So, yep. This may last to the end of the summer, and then come next year, if we have a next year, I'm going to buy me a brand new one. But maybe by that time I'll be out of this house. I don't know. So I guess the next time, I'm asking you thanks for watching. Comment box is open.